Hello everyone, this is Fiani from Creations by Fabi. Welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 2 DIYs, but today I'm so excited because I'm going to be participating in the Look for Less Challenge co-hosting by Yami from the Latina next door and Nicole from the Weakness. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm going to start off by showing the materials. First, I'm going to be using really sharp pair of scissors to cut the galvanized bucket. And of course, a good pair of gloves to protect our hands. As you can see, all I did was cut just a little bit right by the end line cut on the bucket, and then I just pull it. Just half of the bucket, as you can see. And I also cut the handles. Next, I cut off the rest of the bucket, just like so. And I ended with something like that, but I'm going to be cutting now the bottom of the bucket. Halfway. And now I'm going to be doing the same thing with the largest bucket. And there you have it, half a bucket. Now we're going to left them on this side, and I'm going to be working, or I'm going to be using one of those Easter signs and removing everything on it, as you can see. Next, I am going to be marking with a pencil the shape of the bucket to be able to cuff them, just like so. Next, with the square in the box cutter, I will be cutting the board. Just like so, and then I'm going to be using the scissors to finish to cut the rest. Next, I'm going to be using some hot glue to attach them on the buckets. So next, I'm going to be cover those letters on the bucket using 3 different paint colors and a little sponge. So I start with the silver, as you can see, just tapping a little bit. Then I'm going to be using the dark gray and then the granite gray to create the same galvanized look. Next, I went ahead and I used a Sharpie marker to create like a line just to get directions where I'm going to be cutting later. For this step, please be really careful. I'm going to be using a knife and also a hammer to cut the lines that I made before with the marker, as you can see. Beautiful. Now to create the handles, I'm going to be using a old bell. So I'm going to measure it first how large I want it, and then just cut them, and also using some hot glue to be able to attach it. Next, I'm going to be using the same paint that we used before to give you then the galvanized look, just like so. I also going to apply a little bit of the wax and a color antique to give them that rustic look. Next, all I'm going to be doing is attaching the handles on the buckets with hot glue, as you can see. And there you have it. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, really similar to the ones on the website. I'm really proud of myself. Or what do you think? So now for the second DIY, here are the materials. I'm going to start off by giving them a coat of white paint. Next, with the wax and the color antiques, I'm going to give you one coat only to the candle plates, candle holders, just like so. Next, I'm going to give you some dry brushes of white paint. Next, I also going to be using a little bit of the caramel acrylic paint, just light coat, and then I'm going to be just playing around back and forth with the three colors, with the empty wax and also with the white paint, and I ended with something like that. Now I'm just going to put it back the little jars or little things then added some state fun inside, and then just place the succulents inside, just like so. And that is it for the second DIY. That one was really quick and easy, don't you think so? And I think it looks really close to the one on the website. Here I was showing you guys another option with different succulents, also from Dollar Tree, and they look absolutely beautiful as well. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.